Turn off your phone, please. We're live. A good evening, everybody. I don't know what I'm going to call this channel yet. This is my first cooking video. However, we're going to cook some bomb-ass pasta tonight. This is something I've worked on for years. I call it creamy pesto pasta with sausage and spinach. This is my wife's favorite dish. Actually, when we started dating, we went on a snowmobiling trip in Sandpoint, Idaho. I made this for her, and that's when she fell in love with me.
Yeah.
Yep. Maybe I'll post a video of her eating it for you. Anyways, let's get started. What do we need for this? This is a super quick recipe, super delicious, it's super rich, and it's really cheap. All this cost me 28 bucks to make this whole dinner. Let's get started. You're gonna need 1 pound of Italian sausage. I prefer hot Italian sausage, but you can use mild if you'd like. This is Johnsonville Italian sausage. I'm gonna post a video of my own Italian sausage recipe later, so keep looking out for that. A heaping handful of spinach. Some Italian parsley, no real measurement, because it's just gonna be for serving. How many is this? 2 cups of heavy cream. I think this is 30% heavy cream. 7 ounces of pesto. This is my favorite brand, Rana, whatever it is. Get the little container of it. And you're gonna need a pound of pasta. I prefer to use penne. You can use whatever pasta you'd like. And then a good baguette. This I think is a sourdough. Love it. I already got my water boiling for the pasta. If you don't know how to boil water, you probably shouldn't be watching this. Shameless plug, this isn't for me. We're also not sponsored by this company, but I absolutely love their salts and spices. This is Jacobsen Salt Co from Neatarts, Oregon. They make these little discs that you put in your pasta water to season your pasta. These are super handy for a big pot like I'm cooking. I'll usually put 2 in there. However, I'm down to my last one and I couldn't find our other jars of it, so 1 it is. Let's get this going. First step is you're gonna get your pasta going because this sauce goes really fast. So get your pasta in and then we're gonna start making the sauce. All right, so we're gonna turn, I got a big pan, I don't know, 12-inch or so. This is from Hexclad. Again, not a sponsor of the video. However, I love their stuff, so I will plug it. We're gonna let this warm up. I've got the pasta going in the pot. Here's a sweet tip for you guys. Do not ever put oil in your pasta water. If you do, the pasta is going to absorb the oil and sauce won't ever stick to it. So if you're afraid of your water boiling over, put a wooden spoon over the top and it won't boil over. So that's pretty handy. Boom. All right, now that our pan is nice and warmish, we're gonna go ahead and add our Italian sausage to it. And we're just gonna brown this. Here, check this out. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, it just stopped. This wooden spoon kept the foam from boiling over. It's magic, I'm telling you. Don't ever add oil to your water. Just put the wooden spoon there, it'll keep it from boiling over. You're welcome. Oh, here it goes, here it goes. See? It's like magic, I love it. That was a tip from my grandfather. Very Italian man, very good cook. All right, now that our sausage is brown, we're gonna turn the heat down to, I don't know, low medium, if that's a measurement. We're gonna add our 2 cups of heavy cream. To that, we're gonna add our 7 ounces of pesto, basil pesto, by the way. You can use your own pesto if you'd like. I'm just too lazy to make my own, I guess, so I use this store-bought stuff, which is pretty good. Now, if you're using mild Italian sausage or sweet Italian sausage, I would add a little bit of red pepper flakes to this, Just gives it a little extra bite. However, since we're using hot Italian sausage, we're not going to add anything to it. We're going to mix this all up, let it come up to a simmer, and get that sauce to kind of thicken up a little bit. Turn our heat to about medium. You know what I love about Reef flip-flops? The built-in can opener, bottle opener. Oh. I'll get all the dog hair off of it first. I love it. All right. Now that our sauce has reduced quite a bit and thickened, we're going to add our heaping handful of spinach. You literally want it overflowing from the pan like mine is right now. Turn the heat way, way down. And we're going to fold in this spinach until it wilts. And what this does, adding the spinach makes this pasta healthy because it's a vegetable. So the 4,000 calories per bite of this pasta becomes healthy because there's spinach in it. So you're welcome. All right, our pasta is nearly done. Here's a hot. Yeah. Here's a hot tip for you. I like to make, well, I cook for a family of 5. When I'm making pasta, I cook the pasta. We dish pasta from the pasta bowl and then add sauce to it. After you strain your pasta, don't add oil or butter to it to keep the pasta from sticking. Because again, whatever you put in the pasta, as soon as you strain it, it just sucks up and becomes like a sponge. So if you put butter or oil in there, the sauce isn't going to stick to it. So as soon as you drain the pasta, add some of your sauce to the pasta. So that's the flavor that it's soaking up. You're welcome.
Just so you know, it might be a family of 6 after tonight because this shit's good.
Sup. All right. I'm going to drain this off screen. All right, our pasta has been strained. Going to add a spoonful of the sauce. Mix, 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 mix. Now the pasta is picking up the sauce. And that's what's flavoring the pasta, that and the salt that we added. Now, let's plate this. Plate this bad boy. Add some of our sauce. Top it with a little fresh Italian parsley. And, here we go. Some Parmesan cheese. Obviously. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you creamy pesto penne with sausage and spinach. This has been a work of art that I've been working on for years. I assure you guys, if you make this, it's super quick, super cheap, super delicious. Anyone that you feed this to is gonna think that you're the greatest cook on the planet, because this is bomb. Not to toot my own horn, but this is really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna be coming out with plenty more cooking videos, delicious pastas, all sorts of good stuff. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, you guys.
So good. Wow. You did okay, babe.
I know.
I just burnt my mouth. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's why it was so hard for me to talk, because I was like, oh my god, my mouth is burning right now. How do I do this?
Sorry.
The whole time I was like, do I spit it out or?
Yeah.